Hi everyone, this is Space International and today I'm going to talk about the Qatar diplomatic crisis. In order to understand the Qatar diplomatic crisis, we need to go back to 2006, when Qatar was the only United Nations Security Council member to vote against the United Council Resolution number 1696, which was calling on Iran to halt its nuclear enrichment program, in which Saudi Arabia viewed this as a threat to its national security. Iran and Qatar has a good diplomatic relations, something that became a main issue in this diplomatic crisis. Although Qatar and Iran has a good diplomatic relations, Qatar has sent forces to combat the Iranian-backed army of Bashar al-Assad in the Syrian civil war and to combat the Iranian-backed rebels in the Yemeni civil war. Then, in May 2015, after the bombing of ISIL positions by Egypt in Syria, Qatari-based news channel Al Jazeera condemned the attack by showing the image of civilian casualties. This caused Egypt to accuse Qatar of supporting terrorism in the region. The Gulf Cooperation Council rejected Egypt's accusation and shortly after, Qatar recalled its ambassador to Egypt. Then, in May 2017, the email account of the UAE ambassador to the United States was hacked. The hacking showed a relations between the UAE and a pro-Israeli group. The story was covered by Al Jazeera and HuffPost Arabi, both of which is funded by Qatar. Arab countries saw the news covering as a provocation by Qatar. This culminated in June 5, 2017, when Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Yemen, Egypt, and the Maldives and the Bahrain all separately announced that they were cutting diplomatic relations with Qatar and imposing an embargo on Qatar. Those countries expelled the Qatar ambassador and recalled their ambassador to Qatar. The embargo include closing all ports to Israeli shipping, closing their airspace to Qatari aircraft, closing Al Jazeera News Bureau, and expelling Qatari forces in Yemen and Syria. Then, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Egypt, Bahrain issued a list of demands. The demands include closing of all Qatari-supported media, cutting off ties with terrorist organization, reduce diplomatic ties with Iran, closing Turkish military base on Qatari borders, and suspend all joint military cooperation with Turkey on Qatari soil. Qatar has since dismissed the demands, and up to this video's release, there is no end in sight. This is my first YouTube video and I apologize if I make any mistake. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.